If an app is protected by a developer password, admin log or security code, the safest and legal way to access it through the official recovery option provided by the app developer. Many apps use password protected to keep user data safe and prevent unauthorized access. Trying to bypass or find out developer password without permission can violate privacy rules and the app terms service. First, open the app and look for options like forgot password, reset password or help and support. Most apps allow you to recover access using the email address, phone number or link account. If the app belongs to your company, school or organization, contact the administrator or developer directly and ask for permission or assistance. You can also check the app's official website or support page for recovery step the troubleshooting guidelines. Keeping your own password safe securely in a password manager is a good habit to avoid losing access in the future. Always use apps responsibly and only access account or settings that you are authorized to use. This helps protect personal information and keeps our device secure. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.